guys, I'm Pranav Shastry and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make the connection of two power sockets in one switchboard. The materials I'm using are 2 switches, 2 power sockets, 6 modular front and back plate, some connecting wires and screws to secure the back plate. So as you can see, this is our 6 modular back plate. This is a power socket which requires 2 units in one modular plate. So as you can see, our power socket is fit in its slot. Now we are going to fit one switch and another switch next to it. Make sure that the red line comes on top, as once it's finished, it will indicate that the switch is on. So as you can see, our 6 modular board is completely filled, 2 switches in the center and 1 and 2 power sockets on the left and right side. So as you can see, there are 3 pins on the power sockets: phase, neutral and earth. So as you can see, first we are going to take one piece of connecting wire and we are going to skin a large part of it, and then we are going to twist it and then pass it through both of them and then cut this much length. So as you can see, now we are going to tighten the screws. Make sure you put this copper piece of wire in the middle slot, because that is the slot for the L wire or the phase wire. So as you can see, it's indicated L for the phase wire. So that is done. Now we are going to take another piece of connecting wire and skin it on both the sides. As you can see, we have skinned it on both the sides and we have twisted it also. Now we are going to open the upper slot and the L slot in the power socket. Now we are going to interconnect them both together. By this, what will happen is, when the switch is turned on, the power socket will start to function. So as you can see, we are tightening the screws. So as you can see, the connection is done. Same thing we will do for our second power. switch on the MCB link to it, and it's ready for operation. So as you can see, there's no power in this right now. When I switch it on, the power comes in it. As you can see, the tester is glowing. The same applies for the other slot as well. As you can see, this is our neutral slot and this is our earth slot. Same on the other side. This is neutral and this is earth. Thank you for watching the video, guys, and make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for notifications, and comment if you have any doubts. Thanks for watching.